Hi my wonderful traders, and a warm welcome back to my channel. I'm glad to have you once again on my channel. In today's video, I am going to be trading using the moving average indicator. So I'm going to start with an initial deposit of $162 and hit my goal for today, which is around $5,000 or more. Hopefully by the end of the video, I'm able to hit this goal. So stay tuned until the end of the video because you might like my strategy today and you may be able to use it in your own trades, as well as to see if I hit my goal for today. So I am going to be trying to make very good profit with this indicator. I like using it a lot because it's quite convenient to use. Of course, I'll be carrying out technical analysis first before using the indicator signals, as I always emphasize in all my past videos. So let me get started with today's trades. So in order to activate this indicator, I'm going to click on this button in the left corner, and here you can see the list of the indicators. You need to find the moving average, and I will show you how to work with it. You don't need to change anything. You can make the moving average a bit thicker so that you can be able to see it better. So I'm going to choose the yellow color, and here you can choose any color you want and like. And here you can see the moving average is on the chart. So this is the indicator display. So the first signal to look out for is when the price is crossing the moving average from bottom to top and is still moving higher, and the moving average also reverses and is moving along with the price. This means that from this point there was the reversal, and very soon the price will be moving higher. So in addition to this, you can open an up trade due to this upward movement. And another point to keep in mind is when the price is crossing the moving average from top to bottom and is still moving lower, and the moving average also reverses and is moving along with the price. This means that from this point there was a reversal, and very soon the price will be moving down. So here you can open a down trade due to this downward movement, and also when the price is moving in the flat zone. Here you can see that the price crosses the moving average very often. It's not a very obvious movement, and you cannot understand the signal quite well. This means that we need to miss such signals and concentrate on the ones that help us understand the price movements. And the indicator also shows the reversal points when the price moves in one direction, and as soon as the reversal occurs, the indicator determines these moments very well. So we should remember about the support and resistance level, as I always emphasize. You need to look at how price is approaching all the levels on the market, then use the indicator signals to find good entry points. Let me find my first trade and explain it to you. So here guys, you can see that in this situation, I want to open a trade immediately for a down trade for 1 minute, because I can see that right now the price is moving higher, and from this point there was a reversal. You can also see the red candlesticks that are appearing. So you can see that the price crossed the moving average from top to bottom and continued to move lower, and the moving average also reversed and is moving along with the price. Here you can see that this is the uptrend, and the price moves in a zigzag way, and very soon you'll be seeing the pullback down. And on this movement, I'll try and earn very good profit. I'm hoping that 1 minute will be enough time here. Let me watch what will happen very soon. This is very interesting guys, because you can see the price really continued moving down, and I got a very good profit here. So you can see I analyzed everything correctly. The indicator showed me a very good entry point. This is a very good start for my first trade. Let me find more trades. So here guys, you can see that I have a very good situation. I'm going to open a down trade for 1 minute because I can see a very interesting upward movement here, and at the top you can see the resistance level. So the price bounced from this level, and you can see the red candlestick. You can also see that the price crossed the moving average from top to bottom and continue moving down, and the moving average also reversed and is moving along with the price. Here I can understand that the resistance level gave the pullback down, and on this movement I'll try and earn very good profit. Let me wait for the results. This is awesome friends. You can see the price moves down here, and I got a very good profit. And also you can see that these situations are working out quite well with the help of the indicator. You can see that they're very similar to each other, and sometimes you can find this quite often and work them out in a similar way. Let me continue. So guys, I have a private chat in Telegram channel. This private chat is a closed chat group. Of course, in this private chat you'll be learning about binary trading, it will be quite useful for you, especially if you're a first-time trader. I advise you to join because I post a lot of stuff about binary trading in this chart. You can also use my trading signals to make very good profit, and also you can be able to interact with the other members of the group and ask any question concerning binary trading. So if you'd like to join, go under this video. There is a link to my personal chat. Write me with the code word money team and I'll add you to this private chat so you can join this private chat and begin on your trading journey. So here guys, I'm seeing a support level at the bottom of the chart, and right now the price bounced from this level and crossed the moving average from bottom to top. Here I'm going to open an up trade for 1 minute. Here I can see that there was a direction that the price go to the correction movement, and here you can see this upward movement, and I'll try and make very good profit from this. So in this situation, I'm hoping 1 minute will be enough time for this. Right now, let me watch what will happen next. So guys, I have noticed that a lot of you aren't yet subscribed to my channel. I advise you to please subscribe to my channel because it really helps me a lot. And also don't forget to like my videos, don't forget to share my videos, and turn your notifications so you're notified when there's any video that is posted. This is very good, friends. You can see the price continue to move up and I got a very good profit. So here I was able to analyze the movement correctly with the help of the indicator, which is very good. Let me continue. Here I'm going to immediately open a downward trade for 1 minute because I can see there was a very confident upward movement, and from this point I can see there was the reversal. I can see the red candlesticks here, and you can see that the price crossed the moving average from top to bottom and is still moving lower, and the moving average also reverses and is moving along with the price. I believe that very soon this movement will be in the correction zone and there will be a pullback down, and as I said earlier, the indicator shows reversal points. This is very good information to make very good profit. Let me wait for the results. Wow, this is very good. You can see the price continued to move down and I got a very good profit here. So I was able to analyze everything quite well with the help of the indicator. It showed me a reversal and I made very good profit. The time was perfect for this trade. Let me continue. So guys, here I'm going to open a trade up immediately for 1 minute because I'm seeing that at the bottom there is a support level. You can see that from this zone the price bounced, and you can see the impulsive green candlesticks, and also you can see the price crossed the moving average from bottom to top and is still going higher. So this moving average also reversed and is moving along with the price. Thus I understand that this one gave me a direction. You can see the pullback is occurring, and on this moment I'll try and make very good profit. I believe that 1 minute will be enough time here because I'm seeing the price is moving up quite confidently with impulsive green candlesticks. Let me wait and check this. This was quite a good trade, friends. You can see the price is continuing to move up and I got a very good profit here. You can see the trading situation was quite good. The indicator really helped me very well. So let me continue. So guys, in this situation, I'm going to open a trade here on this currency pair. I waited for a while because I can see that after the pullback, the price reversed and I can see the red candlesticks are appearing. So here you can see the price crossed the moving average from top to bottom and is still moving lower. And also I can see the price high is lower than the previous one. Here I'm going to open a down trade for 1 minute because I think that very soon the price will continue moving down, and on this downward movement I'll try and make very good profit. I'm hoping that 1 minute will be enough time here. So let me wait for the results. So guys, this is quite interesting. So the price really continued moving down and I made very good profit. As you saw, the indicator showed me a good entry point. Let me continue. So guys, in this situation, I'm going to open a downward trade for 1 minute because I can see that at the top there is a resistance level, and after touching this level line, the price bounced down and the price also crossed the moving average from top to bottom and is still moving lower. You can see that this moving average also reversed and is moving along with the price. That's here I understand that the price bounced from this level and go to the correction movement, and you can see the pullback in the opposite direction occurring on this correction movement. I try and make very good profit. Let me watch what will happen next. So So guys, unfortunately here I got a loss from this trade, so I needed several more seconds for this trade because as you can see the price moved in a zigzag way and this movement still continues. But you can see that my trading analysis was right, just that sometimes the market is unpredictable and it happens. I still have enough deposit. Let me continue trading. So here guys, I'm going to open a trade down for 1 minute because I can see that from this point there was a reversal. I'm noticing an impulsive red candlestick. I see that the price is crossing the moving average from top to bottom, and this moving average also reversed and is moving along with the price. So here I think after this upward movement, the price will really bounce from the resistance level and continue moving down. And right now I'm seeing that the price is still showing us red candlesticks that are forming. So I'm hoping that 1 minute will be enough time for this. Let me check what will happen. This is quite good, friends. You can see I made very good profit from this trade. So the price really continued moving down and I got a very good profit here. So 1 minute was enough time for this, and you can see the indicator really confirmed my entry point with a very good indicator signals. So let me continue. So if you're looking for a broker to use, I advise you to use the Quotex platform and also the Pocket Option platform. They are quite easy and convenient to use. I use them quite a lot because they are quite easy and reliable to use, especially if you're keeping your money there. So if you want to join, there's a link under this video. It's a link that comes with a first time bonus when you sign up. So here I decided to open a trade for 1 minute for an up trade because I can see after the pullback the price reversed and crossed the moving average from bottom to top, and here I can see the impulsive green candlesticks, and also the moving average is reversing and moving along with the price. So it's quite possible that very soon the price will continue moving up to the level that is located higher, and as you can see there is a room towards it. And right on this movement, I'm going to try and make very good profit, and I'm hoping the time will be enough time here, even though the price is moving quite impulsively. Then wait for the results. So guys, unfortunately here I got a loss. There was a pullback down, and maybe I should have opened a trade for 2 minutes here because you can see the price moved quite impulsively. I really thought that 1 minute would be enough time for this, but this happens quite a lot because the market is quite volatile. But I won't feel sad because I have more deposit. I'll just continue trading. So here I can see the resistance level at the top. I can also notice the price approach this level and there are red candlesticks appearing. So I understand from the resistance level the price bounced and is moving lower, and also the price is starting to cross the moving average from top to bottom. Here I'm going to open a downward trade for 1 minute. I can notice that very soon the price will get to the correction movement. You can also see the pullback in the opposite direction. On this movement I'll try and make very good profit. So let me check what will happen quite soon here. So guys, this is quite good. You can see the price really continued moving down. You can see the price showed impulsive red candlesticks. I was able to make very good profit here. 1 minute was enough time for this, thankfully. Let me continue. So guys, in this situation, I'm going to open a trade on this currency pair after a while, because I can see after the pullback the price reversed. You can see the green candlesticks here. I can also notice that the price lows are becoming higher, so this general potential is going up. This means that we are seeing the price will continue moving up, and in this situation I'm going to open an up trade for 1 minute, and on this movement I'll try and make very good profit. I'm hoping 1 minute will be enough time for this. Then wait for the results. So this is quite good. You can see an attenuation occurred and the price moved higher here. I got a very good profit here, so I was able to analyze everything thanks to the indicator signals, and the time was quite enough for this trade, hopefully. And you can see I got a very good profit, and most of the situations are quite similar, so you work them out the same way. So guys, here I'm going to immediately open a downward trade for 1 minute because I can notice there is a resistance level at the top. I can see the price approaches this level and broke it through. After this, from this point, the price reversed and you can see the red candlesticks appearing. So the price crossed the moving average from top to bottom and is still moving lower. And you can see that this moving average is reversing and moving along with the price. So this means that very soon the price will be moving into the correction zone. And after this one-way movement, I'm hoping that I'll make very good profit from the pullback in the opposite direction. So let me wait for the results. So this is excellent, friends. You can see the price continued to move down here and I got a very good profit. I was able to analyze it perfectly with the help of the indicator and I made very good profit. Right now you can see my deposit is more than $5,000. I'm going to finish my trade today. So as you saw, I hit my goal for today. And as you noticed, most of the situations repeat themselves. That means you can work them out in the same way. But of course I made some losses. I made 2 losses today, which happens. It's nothing to worry about. If it happens, the best thing you can do is to move on and trade. You have to just calm down and not let your emotions get in the way and continue trading. And as you can see, this happens quite a lot. That's why I always emphasize to carry out technical analysis, because it's one of the best ways to avoid errors. Most of these indicators are just auxiliary tools and technical analysis is the main trading strategy to use. So if you want to trade as I did, just follow my strategy, open the moving average indicator and use it as I did, and you try and make very good profit on your own. So you need to practice a lot in order for it to become easier for you to notice such things and make very good profit. So don't forget to support my channel by liking my videos, sharing my videos, subscribing to my channel and turn your notification bell. Until next time, good luck in your trades. Bye bye.